Have a chandelier I am installing. Both wires are the same color, neither has ridges, either. One has some text on it, but nothing meaningful. Which is the nut and which is the neutral?
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be glad to assist you. Are the wires different color on the meta, strands? Silver neutral, gold or copper for hot? If not, you'll need a continuity tester to find out.
The wires both appear to be silver. Guess I will need to get an electrician.
A continuity tester would be a lot cheaper. Around $5 at any home center.
Not sure how to use it.
You only need to clip one of the wire and then touch the screw shell for the lamp. It will light up if that wire is the neutral.
I don't understand what you mean.
There is an alligator clip on the tester. Connect it to a wire and put the probe where the lamp screws in. Touch the screwed sides of the lamp holder. If the tester lights up, that wire is the neutral, if not it is the other wire.
Okay. Thanks. That will work.
Very good.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.